Hello everybody, today I'll be unboxing Gem Gems version 2 slogan. We'll first start off with the goodies. So firstly we have two fans. This says Jimin, and this one says Jimin as well. Secondly, we have some stickers. These are rounded stickers. And this is like a transparent sticker, which we have postcards. This is the electromagnetic sticker. Next we have the photo cards. These are transparent photo cards. This is the front, and this is the back. Lastly, we have the slogan. Thank you so much for watching.